Hey Clean Beauty family, how's everyone doing? In this video, we are going to talk about my glowy, skin-like, almost natural finish everyday look. I get a lot of comments on this whenever I do videos that are just, my regular everyday look, or whenever you guys see me on Instagram, throughout the days when I'm not here on YouTube, when I just do Instagram posts or Instagram stories, my face is just very glowy, basic, skin-like, and you guys always want to know, are you wearing makeup? And I'm like, yes, of course I'm wearing makeup, but it looks so skin-like and natural. I'm like, I know. And I guess it's because you guys are used to seeing me do like dramatic looks and heavy makeup sometimes, but on a regular day-to-day, like I always tell you guys, I don't wear much makeup. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And you guys are interested to know what is it that I do on a regular everyday basis. First thing though, the key to success, the key to the glow, the key to the skin-like look, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, right here is the water. I drink a lot of water consistently. I usually always have it when I'm filming or I have it around me. I'm not going to try to say it is all the products that I put on my face. It is just me taking care of my skin that really shows that glowy, natural, everyday look where I can wear less makeup on a regular basis. I mean, water is key, but a little makeup surely does not hurt. I prime my face. Well, I moisturize my face. And I use different moisturizers depending on how I feel. And then I prime my face with the Natural Annie Essentials. This is the face gel. It's an aloe-based gel. It is not intended to be used as a primer, but hey, I've been using it. It works great. It leaves the tacky feeling and the makeup sticks to my face, so why mess up a good thing, right? Next is I apply foundation. Now you have two options. I switch back and forth. Some days I do my powder, some days I do my liquid foundation. On my powder days, I use the Hynt Beauty Violetto foundation. This is the pure powder foundation in the color Rich Chestnut. I love it. It is one I reach for a lot. But just in case you cannot get your shade in this, I'm hoping that they're working on releasing more shades because this foundation is really awesome. I mean, it's really good, y'all. It's really good. I really love it. But I'm thinking about the more chocolatier girls that are darker than me. So if that option is not available for you, my next choice is Plain Jane Beauty Cream Minerals Liquid Foundation. The shade that I wear is number 14. I Am Magnificent. Plain Jane offers a much more variety of shade ranges, so you can probably find your shade range in that one. So some days, depending on how I'm feeling, whichever one is in front of me, I either reach for Plain Jane or Hynt Beauty. Like, to be honest, it's just either one. So for today's video, I'm gonna put down Plain Jane because you guys are always seeing Plain Jane. Like in mostly all of my videos, is Plain Jane, Plain Jane, Plain Jane. I'm gonna give them a break today, and I'm going to do it up with Hynt today. So first, I put a little bit of the foundation in the cap. Just a small amount in the cap, really not a lot. And I use my e.l.f. powder blush. It is a flat top brush, densely packed. And I just buff that into my skin. Knock off the excess. I do make sure I spend a great deal of time just doing this motion right here. Just making sure it's buffed into my skin. I don't know if that does anything, if it helps, but I really sit here and I just keep doing this. I will do my eyebrows. I'm going to do that off camera and then I'm going to come back and show you. Reason why I don't do my eyebrows on camera is because first of all it takes forever because not much brows here to work with, so I have to build it. I have to build the brows. And also the product that I use is not Green Beauty. I still haven't found my Green Beauty eyebrow pencil situation yet. I know you guys are recommending the Eco Brow, but I'm not really a gel brow kind of girl, but I'm gonna try it. So let's do the eyebrows and I'll be right back. I do wear concealer sometimes. It's not something that I need, but just to add that extra dimension, I like to add it. So this concealer that I use on a regular basis is my Shea Moisture Concealer. This is in the color Hazel. I leave the concealer alone. I don't touch it. I know it's crazy, but I don't touch it. Now what I move on to, as this sits on my face, is I actually just line my eyes. I don't wear any eyeshadows on a regular basis. I rarely wear eyeshadows, to be honest. I just not really an eyeshadow girl. I just do it for the looks here on the tube and on the gram, but on a regular basis, I don't. So I'm just gonna line my eyes. And I use the Physicians Formula. This eyeliner pencil, it does not have the cleanest ingredients. It does not. But I'm just waiting to finish it out and move on. But let's just, and this is what I actually do. I just sit here and just line my eyes freehand. Once I line my eye with the Physicians Formula, I actually go over it again with my Hynt Beauty Forte eyeliner pencil. The reason why I do that is because the Physicians Formula just lays down the base and the shape that I want, because the tip is so precise. I like it like that, but it's not dark enough for me. So now I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. I know it's been sitting there a while, but it just, you know, makes it nice and thick, and it just gives me a better coverage. So I just blend out the concealer. Concealer is blended out, and it's just a light concealer, light highlight. Not too drastic, because that's not how I like it. I like it just a little bit of oomph on my regular everyday basis. Now I go back in with the same foundation from Hynt Beauty. Put a little bit, just a little bit in the cap, and that's how I set everything on my face now. That's why I don't apply too much in the beginning, because I know I'm going to go back in with a second coat when I apply the concealer, and I use that to set everything. I just lightly, I don't put as much pressure with the brush. I just lightly tap it on my skin. Now that that is done, I go back in with my eyeliner pencil again from Hynt Beauty, and I just tight line my bottom waterline. Very subtle. Now we put on some mascara. Which one am I going to use today? I put on a lot of mascara. I'm not gonna lie to you. Some days I wear lashes, some days I don't. The days that I do wear lashes, I wear my Ardell Demi Whispies, and with days that I don't wear lashes, I put on a lot of mascara. I start with the Just Mascara from Plain Jane, then I add the Hynt Beauty, and then I can't find it right now, but sometimes I even go back and forth with my Pacifica mascara. So let's just mascara it up. The Plain Jane gives you like a basic lift, but I like to start with it because it really combs through my lashes and it separates my lashes. Then I go in with the Hynt Beauty to add some of volume, and I just pile it on until no tomorrow. That's really the secret sauce. The next is the highlight. I do have a few different highlighters. I switch between them, between my Plain Jane highlighters, my Brown Leaf Cosmetic highlighters, and my newest obsession, which is the Jacket Aina and the Artis Couture highlighters. I switch between those different companies. So today I'm just going to showcase two of them. The Brown Leaf Cosmetics highlighter is called Butter Pecan. It's more of a, it's more golden. And then now if I choose to wear the Jackie Aina Artis Couture highlighter, I'm going to show you what that looks like on this side of my face, the left side. This one is more rose goldish color. I usually just add this a little bit to the bridge of my nose right there, just right there. Whichever highlight I'm using for the day, I just put a little bit right there. That's it. I don't bring it down to the tip or anything. It's just right there. For the lips, I tend to try to do a basic lip, especially when I'm going to work. I've been using a lot of liquid lipsticks only because I don't have the time to keep reapplying. So liquid lipsticks have come in handy. I've been obsessing over the Clove and Hallows recently. You guys know this. I have a whole entire swatch video. I'll link it right there for you. And I've also been obsessing over the Black Minerals liquid lipsticks. I haven't featured those ones yet, but I have been using them. I just haven't had the time to show them to you guys, but they're still pretty bomb. So as usual, you know, ride or die, brown lip liner. And then the one that I use the most on a daily basis from Clove and Hallow is between Uptown and Sugar Bear. Today I'm going to apply Sugar Bear. This is it. This is the finished face. All I have to do now is apply my setting mist, which is from Plain Jane Beauty. This is the Coconut Water Setting Mist. Alright you guys, so this is it. This is my everyday skin-like natural glowy look. This is basically how I go to work every day. The only difference is that sometimes I apply lashes and sometimes I don't. Right now I'm not wearing any lashes. Do you want me to apply lashes and show you? I mean, I should, right? Just to give you guys a full effect. So remember how I look. This is how it looks without lashes. This is what we're working with. And I'm going to apply some lashes just to give you guys both sides of the coin. These are the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. It has a very nice, natural, everyday look to it. This is it. This is how I go to work on a regular basis, you guys. Just a natural, clean, glowy face, showing a lot of skin, not too much product. It's just skin, nice and glowy, just health and glow, and just, did I say glow already? Glow again. All the products that I use will be in the description bar. Hope you guys like it. You know, of course I'm going to switch it up again and give you guys some more dramatic, crazy looks. But for those that are asking, for those that were wondering, for those that didn't believe that I don't go dramatic when I'm leaving the house on a regular basis, this is proof. And if you want more proof, you can catch me on my Instagram, because I'm always on, not always, but I do Instagram stories a lot where you can see me on a regular basis just going about life, and I either have no makeup on or a lighter version of this or this. That is all. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. I know the lipstick is going to clash with the shirt. The lipstick and the shirt is like clashing, but you know, I didn't think it through when I put on this shirt, and I'm not going to go upstairs and change it again, so it is what it is. Bye, guys.